This is the Any Kind of Fruit Galette, unsmittenkitchen.com, and I'm making it today with a mixture of sweet and sour cherries. Given a choice, I will pretty much always make a fruit galette over a fruit pie because everything about them is easier and therefore allows us to be more impulsive in our baking. First, you can really use any kind of fruit you have around, anything that's in season or that you like to bake with. I'm using a mixture of sweet and sour cherries today. You need much less of it. You only have to make one dough, and that dough comes together really quickly. You roll it out into one blob. It does not matter how round it is. You're not going to need to put it in any kind of special pan. You just put it right on a baking sheet, and you put it all together. And I like to finish the dough with a bit of egg wash for color and shine and coarse sugar. And when it comes out of the oven, you have this. It could be great for brunch, or you could finish it with ice cream like I am for dessert. However you make it, I hope you love it as much as we do.